Hello, friends. How are you doing today? I hope you all are doing just great. So, is another vlog about our recent family outing. I and my husband we decided to take the kids out to have fun here in Lagos. And guess what? Can you guess where we went to? So, we left our house at about 10:30 a.m. and now we are in Oshodi. Oshodi has really changed in the recent times, as you can see. In the previous years, this area used to be overcrowded with people and buses. It's no longer crowded as the way it used to be. That's development. Now we are in the island. This is the Ikoyi part of Lagos. So we are heading to Lekki Phase 1 right now. We just got to the Admiralty Road this time and we're trying to locate where we are going to. I didn't really know that Admiralty Way was different from Admiralty Road. Lakey things. So now we've gotten to the place we are going to. So we are here. We're about entering right now. We're driving in. We're going to park right now and explore the environment. So this is Upbeat Recreation Center here in Lagos. Welcome back to my channel. So guess where I am right now? I'm at the Upbeat today. I took my kids out. I guess they're having fun and I'm having fun as well. So I want to show you what this place looks like. It's so beautiful, so lovely, so other than the serenity is so wow. So if you're in Lagos, just make sure you come to this place one of the days. You will enjoy your stay here. They have good food as well. So this is their restaurant area and there's a sea view. This site is so lovely to behold, so lovely to view. Wow. You can just come here, think about yourself, think about your future, ease off that tension. Wow, this is a must visit place if I must say. So beautiful. Nature all around. Wow. I'm having fun already. Now the kids are about to start their indoor games. I think they want to play on the trampoline. So they are getting ready. Okay. Where is the key? Wait. Not let your brother. Do it well. Let the fun begin. Other kids are playing and having fun as well. These ones are not even thinking about anything. They're just as in free to play. I wish I can become a kid again. But it's not possible. Well, I believe the saying there's time for everything. Sooner or later, they'll also grow and face what we are facing as adults, as parents. Imagine, look at what Owen is doing. He's backflipping. Wow. At a point, I got tired, the kids got tired as well. So, what's next for us? We decided to go and eat. So, we are at the restaurant area and we are trying to place our orders. Me, I want to eat good food. So our food is here. My husband ordered for this, and this is my own order. The kids said they won't eat, so they decided to do popcorn and ice cream. So as you can see, they are having their own fun as well. They are licking their ice cream and eating their popcorn. So after much fun, we had to snap and start going home.